Students, in our previous lecture, we have read that how different type of animals live at different places. I have told you that habitat is the environment where an organism naturally lives, grow and reproduce. And under this, we have read that what is forest habitat, desert habitat, then high mountains and polar region habitat, ocean and river habitats, and freshwater habitats. I think up to here, each and every topic is clear to you. Students, today we are going to start our next topic, that is adaptation. Adaptation means that the conditions by which any organism can live comfortably in their habitat. For example, nature has given us many coverings to bear all the different type of seasons which comes in a year. For example, the birds have feather which help them to stay warm and fly. Not only many of you are thinking that birds have feathers only for flying. No, they are using their feather for staying warm also. Okay, so birds have the adaptations that they have feathers which help them to stay warm and fly. Same way, dear, if you see the aquatic animals like fish, we know that fish have scales that do not let them the water enter in their bodies. Okay, they have small feather like white color scales which prevent them for water, although they are living in water, but the water will not enter in their body due to presence of scale. Then comes the turn of reptilias. Do you know what are reptilias? Reptilias means the organisms which travel on the ground. For example, snake, lizard, all these are the example of reptilias. They also have scales on their body for protection. Now, if we talk about snakes, then you know that snakes are in habit of changing their skin after a period of time, that they left their upper layer of skin, and that process is called molting. Molting. Okay, now you must have seen armadillos. They have their hard arms which protect their body from outside things. Okay, now in your this picture you can see that fish have small white hair like projections, we can say, that are scales, and even on the body of snake we can see the scales present on it. Now if we talk about the animals like sheep or polar bear, you know that polar bear lives in mostly in polar regions, like the region where all throughout the year it is filled with ice and snow. So what they have special in their body? They have fur. Fur. The animals like sheep and polar bear have fur which help them to keep their body warm. Okay, and you must have seen that we get wool from our sheep, isn't it? That wool we are getting, that is also we are forming by their fur. Now if we talk about the organisms like snail, tortoise, and turtles. What they have? They have outer shell, and this shell is made up of calcium carbonate, which is very hard in nature. So this they get protection of their body by the help of this shell. So we as a whole we can say that the body coverings help any organism to protect themselves from outside things. Now you can see quills. Quills means small, you can say they are having small needles like structures on the body of porcupines. Okay, you can see here this they are having a needle like structures present on this, and which protect them from the predators or from other things. And insects also have the protection which is called chitin, CHITIN. These are the outer hard covering present on the insect body which make them strong and help them to survive. So I think each and every topic is clear in this. I have given you example of adaptations given by nature, like every organism has some body coverings which protect them from changing seasons. Those who are living in polar region or those who are living in cold climates, they have fur like sheep and polar bears, and fish have scales on their body, birds have feathers on their body, and many animals have shells on their body which protect them from their predators. So I think all these examples are clear to you, and till then if you have any doubt you can ask in our class. Till then, thank you, have a nice day.